naman kakantahan yan?
Di ba nga first love never dies?
Puppy love lang yun, Marian. Tumigil ka nga.
True friends are hard to find.
Tay, nandun na nga ako. Marangal naman talaga yung trabaho ni Palis. Pero pwede naman siya maging sikat. Yung sikat na sikat.
Parang si Lance.
Oo, parang si Lance. Di ba nakakabilib naman talaga si Lance?
True love is harder to find.
Ikaw, may girlfriend ka ba?
Wala pa ho.
Bakit?
Ang gusto ko kasi yung best friend ko. Kaya lang pag sinabi ko sa kanya, magagalit yun.
Kumingi ka pala eh. Eh kung hindi magalit.
But if you fall in love with your best friend,
Hanggang sana kaya abot sa kakahabol dyan kay Lance.
Hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan.
are you willing to lose the friendship for the love?
Pagka hindi ka niya nakilala at na-broken hearted ka, pipilitin kita mahalin.
Gagi!
Or are you willing to lose the love for the friendship?
Lance! Lance! Ah!
Hey! Are you okay?
Don't you remember me?
Sa'yo na lang to. Suot mo lagi yan, ha? Oh, ngiti ka naman dyan.
Marian?
Palits.
She likes rice. She likes wings.
When does friendship end and love begin?
I believe in puppy love, first love, whatever you want to call it. Because this stays with you. I know. Mine did. You and Manuel have such a history together. I know no matter what I do, I mean, I can't have that.
Are you jealous?
Yeah. Very.
Masyado na masakit sa dibdib ko yung mga pinaggagawa mo.
Di mo naman ako matitiis eh.
Yun na nga masakit eh. Hindi kita matiis.
Kasi mahal mo ko.
Star Cinema and Close-Up proudly bring John Lloyd Cruz, Bea Alonzo, together with Sam Milby, in a story that teaches us that true love can wait.
Bakit hindi mo sa akin sinabi?
Marian, bakit ba? Andiyan na naman si Lance eh.
Ang sabihin mo, duwag ka lang. Hindi ka lang insecure, duwag ka pa.
duwag na kung duwag.
Talaga, dahil kung mahal mo ko, dapat ipaglaban mo ko.
Close to You, directed by Kathy Garcia Molina.